Find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon of 9 sides. So here, to find out the sum of all the interior angles, or the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon made up of, that is, a 9 side. So first one must have to remember the formula. To get the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon is given by the formula, which is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here, to find out the sum here, one must have to know a number of side. That is, here right now a polygon is made up of 9 sides, and we know that here a polygon made up of 9 sides we call a, that is a, what do we call? That is a nonagon. So like you can see here, a polygon is nothing but a closed figure made up of line segment. So here, when it comes to polygon, remember that there will be a regular and irregular polygon. So here we consider a regular polygon, which means all the line segments are equal. So as you can see here, a polygon made up of line that is a 9 sides. So here what you'll have to do, we are asked to find the interior angles, that is the sum of all these angles. These are the angles, and here just we need to remember the formula like we have already seen here. That is the formula to get the sum of all the interior angles equals to n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is, first you'll have to know the number of sides that is made up of a polygon, which is already given here 9 sides. So in short, n means the number of sides, which is we have here, that is 9 sides. After that here, then the sum of the interior angles of the polygon is given by the formula. So this formula you'll have to remember here, n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here n can be replaced by, yes, that is 9 minus 2 times of 180 degree. So 9 minus 2, which is equals to how many? Yes, 7 into 180 degree. So now here 7 into 0 will be 0, 7 into 8 will be 50, yes, that is 56. So 5 in n, 7 into 1, 7 plus this equals to 1260 degree. Now the next question here, as you can see here, the question, find the number of sides of a regular polygon when each of its interior angle has a measure of, sub question number 1, that is a 135 degree. So here, given that here, what we need to find, the number of sides of a regular polygon when one of its interior angle is given here 135. So we consider here, that is a each interior angles, which is given here 135. So now here, with the help of Dutch, we can find the exterior angle also. Now each exterior angle can be obtained by 180 degree minus interior angles. So we can take here rough work here, 180 degree minus 135. So 10 minus 5 equals to 5. So this will be only now 7. 7 minus 3, which is equals to 4. 1 minus 1 will be 45. So we have got here 1 minus 1 is 0. So I've got here each interior angle equals to 45 degree. And we know that the formula here, to get the each interior angles, we also know that here, that is the formula, which is 360 divided by n. Now to get the number of sides here, you can take the help of the exterior angle. So after that here, we can take here a cross multiplications. If you take here a cross multiplications, we get here 45 into n can be taken here 45n, which is also equals to the other side. Here nothing is here, we consider 1. So 1 into 360 equals to, yes, that is we get here how much? 360 degree. Therefore, number of side equals to, we have here 360 degree. Now transpose this value, so it will take here upon 45 degree. Now 36 and 45 are divisible by, yes, that is 9 table, 9 into 5 times 9 into 4 times again 9 into 0. Again both are divisible by 5 table, 5 into how many times? Yes, 8. That means here we can say that the required number of sides of a regular polygon is, that is 8 sides. Question number 2, here we have the each interior angle which is equal to 120 degrees. So with the help of this, you'll have to find the number of sides. So we assume here, let the number of sides be small letter n. So with the help of these hints, we can find the number of sides. So we can take here each angle is also given by 180 degree minus here, that is a interior angle value which is 120 degree, and that equals to here 180 minus 120, which is equals to 60 degree. And we know that here, that is each exterior angle is also equals to, yes, that is the formula is 360 divided by the number of sides. Now to get the number of sides of the polygon here, we can take a cross multiplications here. Nothing is here, consider here or assume 1. We take here a cross multiplications, we get here, that is 60 into n can be taken here, 60n, which is equals to, again here to the other side here, if you multiply, then we get 360 degree. Therefore, number of side which is equals to, we have here 360 divided by 60, so 0, 0 we can cancel, 6 into 6. So the required number of sides of a regular polygon equals to 6 sides. Now here you'll have to prove that the sum of all the interior angles of an octagon is 180 degree. So here you'll have to know what is an octagon. It's a polygon made up of, that is how many sides? Yes, that is 8 sides. So let's have a look the figure here. So I've made here the figure, that is octagon, that is a figure made up of how many? A closed figure made up of 8 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here what we need to prove here, that is we'll have to prove that the sum of all the interior angles of an octagon is equals to 180 degree. So that means here to prove this one here, you'll have to know the number of sides of a regular octagon, which means here regular octagon means all the sides here are equal. So octagon, that is a number of sides, that is 8 sides. And then here we know that the sum of all the interior angles, or it is also given here, the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon is given by the formula n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So here n means the number of sides, where we have already we know that that is 8 sides, minus 2 into 180 degree, which is equals to 8 minus this 6 into 180. So that is 180. Now you can take here a rough row. 6 into 0 will be 0. 6 into 8 will be 48. 4 in hand. 6 into 1 will be 6 plus 4, that is equal to 1080. So hence proved. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon. Now to find the measure of each exterior angle, you'll have to remember the formula here. That is, each exterior angle is given by the formula, that is a 360 degree divided by n. So here you'll have to know the number of sides of a regular hexagon. So let we assume here, let the number of sides of a regular hexagon is a closed figure or a polygon made up of, that is a 6 side. So number of sides which is equal to 6. Now like I said before here, you'll have to remember the formula here. Each exterior angle which is given by the formula 360 upon n. So now we can take here 360 degree and the number of side which is equal to 6. It's possible to cancel here. 6 into, yes, 636. So 6 into 0, that means here each exterior angle equals to 60 degree. Now the next one here, three angles of a quadrilateral are 85 degree, 105 degree and 98 degree respectively. Find the fourth angle. So let's have a look with the figure here, that is a quadrilateral, which means a closed figure made up of 4 line segment is called a quadrilateral where three interior angles are given. So we can just label here any letter you can assume here. So the first angle, I've taken angle A, which is 85 degree, and the second angle 105 degree, and the third angle 98 degree. So I need to find the fourth angle. So here, according to this figure, the fourth angle be D. So now since the fourth angle is missing, so we can assume here, let the fourth angles be X. After that, here what we do here, then we know that here the sum of all the interior angles of the quadrilateral equals to 360 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to, yes, that is 360 degree. So now we can consider here our first angle. So already given here, the first angle given here, we can take here 85 degree plus here our second value here, that is a 105 degree, plus the third value we have here 98 degree, plus the fourth angle we have assumed here already X, and the sum equals to 360 degrees. So we take here rough work here, that is 85 plus 105 plus that is 98. So these two will be 10 plus this will be 18, 1 in hand, 9 plus 9 will be again 18, 1 in hand, so 2. The total I've got here 288 degree plus here X. Again right side we drop as it is 360. So these two not possible to add. We can collect the like terms here, keep X at the left hand side. Now that is right hand side we have 360 degree minus, you can transpose this value, so it will change the sign here, minus 288 degree. So therefore X equals to, now we subtract these two value, that is 360 degree minus 288. Now we can borrow here, so 10 minus 8 equals to 2, then this will be only now 15, so 15 minus 8 equals to 7, then this will be 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So the required fourth angle equals to 72 degree.